I'm on my way to Sofia, where I'm going to meet one of my mates. So that'll be good. So that means I've got about 550 kilometers to do in 5 days. So rain, hail, shine, whatever the weather, I'll be riding this week. Such a horrible day, man. I think I'm about 40 kilometers in. I'm drenched. My feet are absolutely soaking and freezing. I don't know. So it's been raining non-stop for the past 3 days, and yesterday I got absolutely soaked, and yeah, my feet got so wet and so cold. So I stopped yesterday. I found a hotel that was right next to the decathlon and thought that's the perfect place to stop. And then went and got some extra supplies. So I got myself like a pair of waterproof trousers with like little shoes attached. And I'm going to try and use the plastic bags to like double wrap my feet to see if they're drier today. So gusty and windy that my cape keeps flying in front of my eyes. It's really quite dangerous. Yeah, I forgot that's what happened yesterday. It's really hard. I guess today is not my day. 5 minutes in. So today I hit the front mudguard, just like popped off. So I had to like stop in the pouring rain and fix that. And now about 30 kilometers in, I've got a rear puncture. It's still pouring rain and windy and freezing. So I'm going to find some shelter and stop and fix that. Again, it's about 4 o'clock, which means I've been out in the rain for about 8 hours now, and I think I've just about had enough. So the rain stopped today, but it's still very, very windy. So progress is slow, but hopefully I'll be able to stay out longer. That's the sun starting to set. I'm going to push on into the night. Yeah, if I'm going to get to Sofia on time, the next 3 days are going to be riding for the night to get there. Okay, so this is the current situation. I've done 135 or something today, and I'm about 20 kilometers short of the city that I'm shooting for, and my brake cable has just snapped. So I think it's snapped. It's weird because it's like locked on, which is a bit more annoying than if it was just snapped completely and just freely rolling, because I could still actually get to the next place. So yeah, I don't know what I'm going to do about this. And it's absolutely freezing. Just to give you an idea of how cold it is here, I spilt some water just on my bike, and it just froze, like it's frozen instantly. So I managed to get it unjammed, and now I'm riding into the city there's a hostel not far from here, and right next to the hostel is a bike shop. So, man, that was a tough day. Tough old day. I've not had many like it on this trip, but that was certainly one of them. But now I've got myself a hostel, it's decent. I've got somewhere to sleep tonight, and the bike shop is nearby, so I'll have somewhere to fix my brakes tomorrow, and it's all good. So much wrong with my bike, like no back brake, one gear. Now there's this like creaking, cranking noise coming. I need new tires. These tires are done. I've had about 7 punctures this week, and all of this happens in the 1 week when I'm on a deadline to try and get somewhere. Come on, little bike, you can do this. You can get me there. That's me arrived in Sofia. It's been an absolute mission to get here, but all of that will be worth it once I beat Skipsy at darts.